Hey everybody, welcome back to another part of Let's Play Pokemon Sage. In the last part, we finally got to evolve our Pokemon, and in this part we're going to get out of the cave, finally. Real quick though, I used a potion on Coblin. Not much of a big deal, but anyways, let's keep it going. Talk to you. Trainer battle. Let's show off Metal Claw, because this is really good against ice Pokemon. Yeah, it's super effective. I just got a text, I forgot to turn off my phone. Oh well. I'll check it later. She keeps texting me, please stop! Hang on, I'll be right back. I gotta respond to this text. Okay, back to the battle. Yeah, let's switch. Crap. Why didn't I switch before? I'm probably so stupid. Anyways. Yeah. What am I doing? That text disoriented me, oh my god. Scratch. Defeated Hiker Matthew. Okay. We can go! What do you say? Hang on. Zero. What does this guy say? There's a really powerful Pokemon here. I'm looking to spot so I can catch it myself. Greedy! Anyways, walk through and you're finally out of the cave. Listen to that music. So good. Let's go this way. Oh, okay. I walked past him. I'm pretty sure I did, and he just like turned towards me. That was cheap. Cheap trainer battles. Cobbler. Yeah. Okay. Oh, crap. Probably should have used quick attack, but oh well. Get in my way. Let's switch again. Pokemon took quite a bit beating there. Anyways. Skip you. Am I going the right way? Oh, we have an item. And battle. You walk over here, you can pick up a TM, Hidden Power. Really good. And walk past that guy very calmly. Skip that guy. What's this sign say? Trainer tips. Power points. Basically, if you run out of them, you can't use a certain move. And another battle. Anyways, keep going this way, and you are finally in Quaver Town. Very nice. Let's go heal up our Pokemon, because mine are weak. Welcome to the Pokemon Center. To see you again. Yeah. So Quaver Town is the first town you can get a gym from. It's also the only place you can get a gym badge, because this is actually the town where the demo stops. So yeah, this Let's Play is going to be coming to an end real soon. I mean, check the sign. Sorry, this is as far as the demo goes. So Quaver Town is basically a giant lake that's frozen. And you have these people ice fishing. Really cool. You can't go very far because the rocks block your path. Ice fishing is hard. So I'm going to train my Pokemon for a little bit, and there is a Pokemon you can get in Route 2 that I'm kind of interested in getting. If I find it, I'll show you guys. If I don't, then we don't, I guess. Anyways, be right back. Real quick though, if you go this way by jumping down that ledge over there, you can grab yourself a Pokeball. Very nice. So, back to training. Still haven't found that Pokemon I'm looking for, so yeah. And if you talk to this lady, you can grab a Quick Claw. Nice. Also, talking to this rock gives you a green shard. And I finished leveling up Goblin to the level I wanted to be, level 15. Use his stats. Sorry, wrong button. You also learned Bite. That's really nice. Keep hitting the wrong button. And before we go into the gym, I want to talk to this girl, because she tells us that Foster, the guy who runs the gym, is also God, I can talk straight. Foster's gym doubles as a care place for children. He's a great man and a good gym leader, something like that. But anyways, I think we'll be going into the gym in the next part. So see you guys next time.